Hello, friends. Welcome to our greeting time and message board. Let's say hello to each other by singing our good morning song. Are you ready? Here we go. Good morning, Liam. Good morning, Liam. Good morning, Liam. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Adrian. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Damien. Good morning, Damien. Good morning, Damien. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Dominic. Good morning, Dominic. Good morning, Dominic. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Diana. Good morning, Diana. Good morning, Diana. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Callie. Good morning, Callie. Good morning, Callie. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Reynard. Good morning, Reynard. Good morning, Reynard. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Raina. Good morning, Raina. Good morning, Raina. So glad you're watching school. Woo! So I'm so happy to see you today, my friends. I'm doing something a little bit different today. I wrote our schedule on our message board of all the different things we're going to be talking about today. The first thing on our schedule is our month. So the first thing we are going to talk about is the month that we are in. We used to be in the month of April. If you remember, there's umbrellas next to the word April. And we used to say a little rhyme. April showers bring May flowers. Well, guess what, friends? We are now in a new month. It is the number 5 month of the year. It's the month of May. So we need to switch our board. We're going to take off the month of April. There's our month of April. Bye-bye, April. Hello, May. And you see, in the month of May, we have beautiful flowers. So our April showers, which is the rain that we see in April, will bring us our May flowers. So I want you all to use your looking eyes. When you go outside, look around and see if you can see some beautiful flowers beginning to bloom. Today is a special day in the month of May. It's the number 5 day of the month of May. And we call that day Cinco de Mayo. That is a special holiday for Mexican people. And a lot of people in the United States celebrate Cinco de Mayo because there are a lot of people who originally came from the country of Mexico. And that is the day that they celebrate their victory. So Miss Ree will be reading you a book today during a read aloud video message that I'm going to send you about the celebration of Cinco de Mayo. And I think you will recognize a lot of things in this book. You may also celebrate Cinco de Mayo yourself. So happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. Another wonderful holiday that's going to be happening this week on Sunday is Mother's Day. And that is the day that we celebrate our mothers because they do a lot of things for us. So we need to make sure that on Sunday, which is Mother's Day, we show our moms that we appreciate them. What I mean by appreciate means that we know that they do good things for us and we show that we are thankful. And what are some ways we can show our moms that we are thankful for them? We could give them a kiss and tell them that we love them. Or maybe we could even make them a little present. So I want you to think about something you can do to let your mom know that you love her for Mother's Day. And I will be sending you a little story, a read aloud story about Mother's Day and about a little bear who comes up with a good idea to show her mom how much she appreciates her. What is our season, friends? We're in the month of May. We had January, February, March, April, and now we're in May. But what season is it? Is it wintertime outside? No, silly. In the wintertime, it snows. Is it springtime outside? Yes, it is. Springtime is the time that it changes from the snowy winter to the sunshiny and warm summer. It's in between those two seasons. So sometimes it's still a little bit cold and sometimes it gets warm outside. And today, if you look outside, it's very sunny, but still a little bit chilly. You might need a jacket. So today I want you to go outside and feel what it feels like and smell the fresh air. Look around and see if you see any flowers because it's May and there are flowers that are going to be blooming outside. Okay, friends, let's talk about our day of the week. Today is the number 3 day of the week. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. The number 3 day of the week is Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Let's sing our days of the week song. Are you ready? Here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Excellent. Here we go. Let's do it again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. And what day is it today, friends? That's right. It's the number 3 day of the week. It is Wednesday. So friends, I thought today we could sing our ABCs just so that we don't forget all our ABCs. Would you like to sing your ABCs with Miss Ree? Good, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you, friends. I could see that you were really concentrating and doing a very good job at following Miss Ree while she was singing the ABCs. I love it when we sing the ABCs together. Okay, friends, who wants to play alphabet soup? Yeah, let's do it. I got my big bowl of soup. What color is this bowl? That's a blue bowl. And I got my big spoon. What color is my spoon? That's a green spoon. And I'm gonna go and I'm gonna mix up my soup. And I'm gonna take a scoop. And what letter am I gonna find in my alphabet soup? Let's see what it is. Here we go. What color is that letter? Yep, that's red. And what letter is it? I'll give you a clue. It makes the sound. Like delicious soup, or Mother's Day. That's the letter for mom. If you said the letter M, you are correct. Okay, let's see what other letters I have in my alphabet soup. So I'm mixing up my soup, and I'm gonna scoop out a bite. And what did I get? What's this, my friends? Well, it kind of looks like a circle, but then it has a tail. And it makes the quack, quack sound. The quack, quack sound. Like queen, quack, queen, or quack, quail, or quack, quilt. That's the letter Q. Okay, friends, let's see what other letters we have in here. Oh my goodness, what is it gonna be? What color is this letter, my friends? That's green, green like the grass. And this letter, I'll give you a hint. I know it's kind of hard to see. It makes the p sound, like pumpkin or puma or play. When you go outside to play. That's the letter P. Okay, one more, friends. Last bite. I'm getting full on these letters. This is delicious alphabet soup. Okay, what color is this letter? That's blue, and it makes the k sound, like cat or cake. If you said C, you're correct. Thank you, friends, for concentrating so hard and playing alphabet soup with me. The next thing I want to talk to you about is the book that I read to you. If you watched my read aloud video, you saw that we were talking about things that sink and things that float. What does it mean to sink? Well, when something sinks, that means when you drop it into a liquid like water, it will fall to the bottom. And if it floats, that means when you put it in a liquid like water, it stays on top of the water and kind of floats around and bobs around. So this week, actually later today in our group Zoom meeting, we're going to experiment. We're going to get a container of water and we're going to find things around our house. So I want you to look around your house for things that you want to test and experiment with and see what things might sink in water and what things might float in water. So Miss Ree thought she would show you real quick one thing that floats and one thing that sinks. So I brought two things. I have this right here. This is, what color is this? This is the color white, and it's kind of mushy, squishy. That's a marshmallow. That's a white marshmallow. And I also brought this right here. This is kind of a funny color. It's called copper, and that's a penny. And you might see that maybe in your mom's purse, or maybe you might even have some pennies in your piggy bank. That is a type of coin, which is money that we use to buy things. So I'm gonna first drop the penny in our water and see if it sinks or if it floats. I want you to guess. What do you think is gonna happen? Do you think my penny is going to sink to the bottom of the cup or float on top? What do you think is going to happen? Okay, have you thought of what your answer is? Okay, Miss Ree is thinking about her answer. I know what I think is going to happen. Now let's see what really happens. Here I go. I'm going to drop my penny in the water. Oh, it went right to the bottom. You see it down there? So that penny sank in the water, or sank in the water. Now I'm going to take my marshmallow and I'm going to put it into the water. What do you think the marshmallow is going to do? Is it going to stay on the top or is it going to sink to the bottom? Okay, let's find out if you're right. I'm going to put it into the water. Boom. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's floating on top. Is that silly? So, the reason why the penny sinks and the marshmallow floats is because of something called density. And density means how heavy something is for its size. So even though the penny is smaller than the marshmallow, it's heavier than the marshmallow. And the penny is heavier than the water, so it sinks to the bottom. The marshmallow has lots of air in it, so it's nice and light, and it's lighter than water, so it floats on top. So I want you to look around your house to find some things that you want to test, and when you come to our group Zoom meeting later, we'll test them out in the water. We'll make a guess and see if we think it's going to sink or float, and then you're going to drop it in the water, and we'll see what really happens. Does that sound like lots of fun? Yeah, it sounds like fun to me too. Okay, friends, thank you for coming to see Miss Reed today. I'm gonna blow you a kiss. I want you to catch it, put it on your cheek, and if I don't see you later today, I'll see you next week. Have a great day.